In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename files in Google Drive. If you want to keep your Google Drive organized, renaming files is one of the simplest and most useful things you can do. A clear file name makes it much easier to find documents later, especially if you have a lot of files stored in your drive. The good news is that the process is quick and only takes a few clicks. To get started, go to your Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, you'll be able to see the main Drive interface where your files, folders, and navigation options are displayed. This is the central place where you manage everything saved in your account. Next, look over to the left-hand column and click on My Drive. This will open the main area where your personal files and folders are stored. If you're already viewing your files, this step simply helps make sure you're in the right location before choosing the file you want to rename. Now find the file you want to update. Once you've located it, click on the three dots next to that file. These three dots open a menu with more options for managing the file. If you don't see the dots right away, move your cursor over the file and the option should become visible. From that menu, click on Rename. This opens a small rename window or text field where you can edit the current file name. This is the point where you can replace the old name with something more specific or easier to recognize. Click into the field and type out the new name you want to use. Take a moment to make sure the name is clear and accurate. For example, using descriptive names can help you identify files faster in the future, especially if you're working with similar documents or multiple versions of the same file. When you're happy with the new name, click on OK. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will save the change and the file will appear with its updated name. You don't need to download the file or make any extra changes for the rename to take effect. And that's it. That's how to rename files in Google Drive. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when it comes to staying organized and keeping your digital workspace easy to manage. If you rename files consistently, you'll save time searching for documents later and make your drive much more efficient to use.